Quicksands.
Anong need mong info dito?
Dude, tinitake ba yung Terry or hindi?
Hindi,
Reset, reset.
paano ano? Kaya ba ng 16 to 15 yan?
Oo, kaya.
16 to
Madali lang
15?
yan. Madali lang kunin yan.
16 to 15 na dito.
Okay, okay. Pa-check lang kung ano. Yo,
Walang
careful. Engaging. Careful, sabong. Careful. Okay, wait. Yo, dismount, sabong. Dismount. Brawler, stay mounted, okay?
OC.
Yo, food up pony. Okay, walk up, step up west. Yo, get ready. Sabong, step up northwest. Yo, step up. Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on me. Okay, then spread southwest. Don't go too deep, spread southwest. Yo, come to me southwest side. Yo, weeds be northeast of me, Okay, come southwest side, Sabong. Come southwest side. Yo, careful. They're looking. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, Sabong, look at me. Step up north. Wrap around north deep. My Sabong, find me. Everything get ready. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. FD on me. Keep pushing. Yo, keep pushing.
Dito mo, Gia.
Keep pushing. Anong level? Anong na HP ng Terry? Keep pushing. Anong buhay? Keep pushing northwest.
Kalahati,
DPS,
113k.
Okay. Yo, Sabong, white. Look at me, west side. Look at me. Sabong, 4 seconds. Keep walking. Yo, we're gonna counter west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. On me. Wipe this. Let's spread. Yo, weeds. I think they're wiped. I need to go dunes. So, yo, get ready. Yo, Sabong, miss outside. Yo, dismount comes outside. Mount up. Yeah, half HP na yun Half HP na yung... Mount up. Half HP na yung Terry. Mount up, comes southeast.
Pasabi pag
Go
loading na kayo.
Go southeast na agad. Go southeast.
Fuck.
Serious yata, FP.
Wait, are you good there?
Doon na ata sila. Dead na SG.
There's na si Eggy. Sige. Ewan ko southeast, let's go.
May disconnected dito.
Just come southeast, please. Hit me kung ano Terry, pre.
Oh, iwanan na yan.
Wala ko info.
Uy,
Nabulok
layo pa ng party 2.
Just come southeast fast. Pacheck again.
Teka lang, may nakabang sa akin.
Pazunin na kami si Lex.
Yo, weeds, feeling ko magro-rotate sila right after. Pa Delta. Oh, sige. Go southeast.
Ang lagdo, yaw.
68k.
Comes out. Okay. Sige,
Malayo pa
68k. Abot yan. Comes out.
Masabi kay Wids merong ano dito
Sabihin mo pag hulihin ko na. Pag medyo malapit na kayo, hulihin ko sila.
Yo, comes out fast.
May nag-scout sa atin yung ako sinatoy.
Madami kayo dyan.
May nakasunod sa atin. Pa-zoning.
Kulang pa sa DPS.
So malayo.
Ako sinatoy, South PH to. Zoning.
Bayaan mo. Focus steady. Rigo Platsan. Ilang HP na?
Dito.
Ilang HP na?
Check ko. 70k.
Come northeast side ng Terry.
Parang tumatas lalo
Come northeast side ng Terry.
Bagal DPS nila.
O kaya yung...
Dismount on me.
26k na lang pala.
Dismount on me. Step up southwest.
23, 22.
Step up southwest. Food up only. Come southwest agad.
Na-dismount ako
Yo, kill the
Andun na
mobs.
kami, andito na kami.
Kill the mobs around.
Nahuli ko yung iba.
Come southwest. Ready your potions. Come southside. Help me si Selex Come to me. Yo, pa-focus na itong sa Terry. Yo, watch lang sa kanila. Huwag niyo muna focus muna sa Terry.
Guys,
Yo, dodge, okay? Focus muna sa Terry. Terry. Everything on the... wait.
Papulil naman ako guys.
Pa-full si Selex. Nasaan sila pupunta?
Pasok Judy.
Yung umaapoy, yung nyapakan.
Oy, sino mo ng... Ako pala.
Salamat sa pag-ano.
Kiniklaim ko mo.
Matap. Yo, I'm gonna rotate to...
Nandito na sila.
Come north. Adi, mounted?
Mountain on ano.
Convert. Catch mo.
Sa atin na to, no?
Oo, sa atin na.
Dismount on the ano. Gate. Try to catch everyone. Thank you for leashing the Terry for me.
Meron
Nila
pa lang
para
kill.
sa atin.
Meron ka palang kill team. Kill team eh.
Counter-twist. Bilis na, no? Bilis ng ano, Terry.
Saan tayo next mo?
6 minutes.
Ano ba?
Sa papunta ako ng ano, Quicksands.
Magano na lang ako, try it.
Ako sabi ni 676 eh. Layo pa pala.
Hindi,
20
76 bigla naging 20k eh. Ewan kung dahil may
Diba?
mga
Oh, yun.
Hindi, baka dinibap kanina.
Baka
Hindi
incubus.
Incubus. Hindi
Mataas
spikat.
yung buhay ng
Yo,
boss.
everyone hold Northwest. Weeds, are you fighting someone? Where's sounds? Everyone hold Northwest.
sold out.
Kasi dami yung tao sa Terry, tataas din yung HP ng boss.
Zone in.
Tayo ba tong sa Quicksands?
Come Northwest. Saan ka na, ano? Seal. Gerald, saan ka rin? Come Northwest.
Props na ako.
Wala kanina pa yun si
Gerald
Gerald.
nandun sa kabila, nasa dunes.
Sino isang support ng DTC? Come Northwest.
Kilo ako.
Where's sounds?
Alien.
Any info on hounds?
Yung oath.
Alien, come to my party. Hindi pa natitake yung volcano. Come Northwest. Monday.
Next day.
Ay, Monday pwede mag-lunch. Padiran. Pag may enough fortification points.
Hindi pala Gucci yung hands.
Hindi sila nakaguchi.
Wala, nagank yung kanina eh.
Zone. Hindi ko naman kayo pinausit, diba? Ano naman
Hindi.
Wala.
Kanotis. Medyo na-run over na rin kasi yung hounds nun. Kanotis.
Tatlo yung English eh.
May kakakuha lang ng ano. Prospering
Ewan ko
volcano.
kung mas mahal pa ba yung Juggernaut sa sets nila, dapat iniwan na lang nila.
Passage, okay pa. Meron pa.
Kanotis.
No, silver lang din yung jog nila eh.
Yo, Weeds, ask wishing if they want to fix fight
Di ba
after.
crystal yun?
Ewan ko, wala akong nakikitang puti eh. Kulay yero.
Yero. Oo.
Path visionary. May kumpuha ng passage. Sino kaya kumuha? Everyone, zone. Zone then come Northwest.
Nasa Sandstrand na kami guys ha. Sandstrand show.
So,
Come Northwest of ano.
sure.
Hindi si Karobus.
May lumabas ng statics. Sino
Uy,
to?
lumabas na
I mean, Sunstrand Shoal.
Half ng party ko, Mugi wala pa.
Zone into Shoal. Zone in Northwest.
Laki yan.
Zone in Northwest.
Tier 2 block yun
I'm in
sa
Volcano.
static.
I'm in Volcano. Come Southwest.
Frostpeak Volcano kami sa mga naiiwan. Frostpeak Volcano.
I-scout ko ba tong blob?
Come Southwest. Hindi. Come Southwest. Somebody's probably taking the Terry. Yeah, I'm gonna go to passage. Gonna check if there's content there.
Testudo is level 3 dito ah.
Naka-wipe yata sila. May iba kumuha ng Terry nila eh. Come Southwest. Petit Testudo nakikita ko na.
Pa-northwest ng build.
Everyone hold Southwest. Yo, I need everyone to regroup on me. Ang dami pang missing sa akin.
Sa Southwest kami ng passage.
Holding Southwest ng passage.
I mean,
Everyone hold Southwest. Yo, I need one left tank to scout. Zone into passage. Check what's happening there.
Naka-proper tong riggers nila. Oh.
Ken. Yeah, this monk.
Kill team to ng Testudo. May cubos.
Color ba yan?
Todo eh, no? Ano,
10 yung ano ah.
Mata pa again. Hold Southwest. Everyone zone in.
Nag-zone na kami ng Frostpeak passage ha.
Good on me. Check out to see.
Frost Spring from Volcano. Nasa passage na kami ngayon. Passage.
Come south to Terry. Come south. Come southwest to me. You go upon me. You go upon me, you go upon me, you go upon me. Yo, can somebody check out the blob? Everyone come to me southwest.
Half ng party ng PT2, wala pa.
Keep kami southwest, keep kami southwest.
Ikaw na pa.
Sorry, ba't nade-delay yung tao ng sobrang layo?
Naglalagata sila muna.
Malag yan. Malag
Keep
yung
kami south, keep kami south.
load.
Yo, who's that east side? Who's that east side? Tell me.
Mafioso?
Yeah, dismount me.
Planet, level 5.
Okay.
Sa loob, oh.
Follow me.
Bubugi, engage mo dito.
Come east side.
Anong tawag din? Ayaw, nakakap na kami.
Come northwest outside. Okay, come west. West, ready defenses. Brawlers to lahat. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yo, we're gonna turn east, fast, east, shallow. 5, 4,
We
3,
also Mugi.
2, 1, east, shallow. Okay, come back. Good kills. Okay, come southwest. Yo, OC, brawl everything inside. Spread and brawl. Yo, spread and brawl. Heal my healers. I'm dropping a Judy here. Heal my healers. Okay, spread. Hold the northeast side for me, Death Tanks. Hold the northeast side for me. Spread, guys. Heal up the net. Okay? Yo, get ready. Okay, just hold. Sigma, give me a fake when you have CD, okay? Heal up. Yo, everyone, get ready. Look at me, okay? Wait. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top. Then spread and brawl. Spread. Cleanses and heals, boys. Yo, spread, nigga. Spread, motherfucker. Spread. Heal Lantern, okay? Good. Okay, just spread and brawl. Okay, keep going southeast. I'm in passage. Keep going. Just brawl around. Spread, okay? Heal up.
Low
Get ready, okay? Get ready. Find me. DPS. Oh, everything. Get ready. Find me. Everything.
Northeast.
5. North. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything north. Clap. Then spread. Spread. Come west side here. Keep rolling going west side. Guys, niggas, you're not spreading, man. Yo, heal up.
Di mo naman yan.
Guardian armor, okay? Kite a bit. Heal up. Kite a bit. Keep kiting west side. Brawl inside also. Q's and W's inside. Q's them W's inside, okay? Yo, get ready, okay? Look at me, west side. Keep coming west. Kill this inside. Okay, kill this inside. Shallow inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside. DPS. Okay, then spread and brawl. Bro, we're a lot more than them, guys. Come on, spread and brawl. Yo, someone guardian armor that shit, man. Okay, Judy. Spread. Heal up. 8 seconds. Spread. Ba't nagkalampot up yung sa gitna? Spread. Okay. Yo, find me. All my DPS, find me. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Hello? Spread again. Get out of the middle. Spread again. I'm dropping a Judy in the middle. Spread and brawl. Sitat, don't run away. Spread. Heal Sitat. Okay. Just spread and brawl. Okay. Heal up. Come southeast. Come east now. Come east now. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Bro, we're not clapping. Spread, brawl. Spread and brawl. Why are we not clapping? Hello? Keep rolling inside. You're gear. Kill this inside. Everything inside. Look at me. Everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Wow.
Yun na. Dumating na pala ang lies natin.
Yo, can I have one person switch to life curse? Fuck, man. Wala akong life curse. Ina. Everyone mount up. Come northwest side. Basin is not yet cut for some reason. Mount up, come northwest.
Someone is fighting Steppe, by the way.
Gusto mo ako mag-life curse na lang, Mugi.
Namatay ka ba?
Namatay ako kanina.
Saan
hindi
mag-regroup
kinaya.
mo, Gi?
Come northwest. Come northwest. Fast. Ano yung fight sa Steppe? Come northwest. Why is nobody taking Basin? What the fuck?
Pangit ka ng pangalan eh.
Melt Basin, wala pa. Pareho.
Hindi, pero kanina pa patay yung mage mismo eh. So, either may naglalaban dyan sa Terry mismo, Like,
Snipe?
iniwan lang talagang ganyan. Ewan ko.
Yoink.
Snipe?
Kanatos. Yo, niggas, hello. We're clap rolling. Spread. Why are you so clumped up on top of me? And plus, you don't run away. Sitat, you don't run away. You run away, you die.
Kahit.
Kanotis.
Ikot ka lang sa Zerg.
Come west side. Ano to? Come west side to Terry. What's this? I think Weeds, pwede ka yata dumiretso sa basin. Try mo i-cap.
Another Terry? Sayang kanina.
Kitty
Kung
girl,
kalahati
kitty girl,
pa yung
kitty
ano,
girl,
no?
kitty girl. Come to me. Regroup on me. Regroup on me. Regroup on
Wala
me.
ba yan?
Dismount on me. I should be able to. Come on northwest, come northwest, come northwest. come
Moving to
northwest.
northwest, running.
Come northwest, come northwest. They're running.
Yes.
Yo, yo. Ano na, Terry? Ano
Stop
nga?
mo si Rex, stop mo si Rex.
Ay, na-leash ka? Fully leashed, okay.
May
May
nahuli ako
na-stop
dalawa.
dito. May
Come northwest, come
nahuli.
northwest. Dismount nyo, dismount nyo na, dismount. Come north, come north, come
Ah,
north,
may
come
dalawa
north.
ako nahuli.
Keep walking north, keep walking north, keep walking north, keep walking north, keep walking north.
Sayang.
Catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him. Catch him. I think caller, I think caller, I think caller, oh. Everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Yo, everyone regearing, we're in melt, ah. Kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy. Purge.
3 of us in passage now.
Comes outside.
Kaninang blood letter yun.
Yo, I need to scout on that blob sa southwest. Yeah, everyone come southeast. Come to me. We cap this.
Tapos,
May mga yugto dito ah.
Full engage on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the mage. Ano nangyayari dyan, Weeds? May laban ba? Ba't di nakakap yung Terry? How big? Do you need me? Oh, nakap na ng testudo. Sige. Kinakap ko tong tinry ko i-cap yung melt.
Blazing.
Everyone on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me.
Dito sa step mo, may malaking block.
Sino yan?
Checking pa lang ako. Nasa Terry sila eh.
Yeah, everything on top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the mages inside para sumapog sila.
Divergence, nandito yung Divergence.
How this array?
17 disarray.
Ang ganda yan, guys.
yan, kill niyo yung sarili niyo. Come on.
Volume kayo na yan.
Pinapatay pa lang nila yung ano,
Ilang percent?
96,000 yung life. 72k.
Weeds. Are you fighting? Can you cap melt? Come here.
96, 61k na lang HP.
Okay. Mount up. Come southwest, mount up.
Level 16 pa rin sila.
Come southwest.
Wala ko, may apoy.
Come southwest.
I'm on fire.
Hindi pa. Come southwest.
1k.
May nagka-cap ng kabilang zone eh.
46k na lang, Mugi.
Kanatos.
Bilis.
May blob galing
Ay,
northeast.
no trap.
Saan po ba?
Kaalis na ako dito sa area, wala na ako NB.
Ano daw need? Sabi ni Zen.
Killer pa, Zenos.
May blob oh. Sila pa yan.
Atin yan.
Pa-invite na lang din siya sa...
Come southwest. Yung test mo doon, hindi lumaban sa inyo?
Hindi na ako makalapit, Mugi. Tinitingnan ako.
Doon.
Last check ko,
Everyone-
40k. Baka
everyone
20k
full
na lang ngayon.
Everyone full zone. Come west.
Level 25 na sila, Mugi.
Sige. Come southwest to me. Everyone regroup on me. Divergence nandito, mukhang lalaban ah. Hold northeast side. Yo, hold northeast side. Hold northeast side. 25 ah. Magzo-zone yata sila dyan ah. Wait. Wait, not yet. Wait. Come southwest. What are you doing? Yeah. Try to start catching. Nagpapa-southwest sila eh. Try to start catching.
Oh my god, sumabit ako. Fuck me.
Come northwest to try to catch. Nasa Terry sila. Yo, kill the guards, kill the guards, kill the guards, kill the guards.
May isa dito.
May,
Yo, everything, look at me. Kill this hollow fall. West side, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the hollow fall. Everything on the hollow fall. Are they dismounted?
Hindi.
Come west side. Come west side, come west side, come west side, come west side, come west side. Come in, come in,
Lock na nila.
come in.
Lakap na nila.
Come in. Yeah, I know they capped it. Come west, come west. Why are they running? They're 25%. Come west, come west, come west, come west.
Nakapuro
Yo, catch,
to
catch everyone, catch everyone, catch everyone,
Ito,
catch
ito,
everyone.
bastion nila. Oh.
Catch everyone. Why are they running? What the fuck?
PAP.
Yung mantap. Wala,
Si
tapos
Bastion.
sila.
Yung bastion nila mo ginaiwan. Ay, kaso. Nakatakbo.
No need to rotate. Tumakbo sila eh. Weird.
Uli.
Yung Divergence, yung Kupal Alliance. Come
Yeah.
mantap, come na to. Follow them, where are they going? Come na to, come na to.
Friends forever.
Yo,
Yung Oasis, di pa nakakap.
yeah, I'm just following them. Yung
Oasis.
All in? Zone. So, labanan to eh. 25% naman sila. Mas malaki sila sa akin ah. Come north.
Yung man nakapuro to sa kanila.
Come northeast.
Na tayo magkasa na ng Mugi.
Wait lang, labanan muna natin to.
Kaya ako na malis.
They're going to plane. Northwest of you. They're going to northwest. Yung northwest smoke sa melt.
cut off na.
They're everyone zone to plane. I don't know. Are they going to the hideout? That's key. What the fuck? Come north. Come northeast.
Wala. Yung play ni
Oh,
Barret
yeah,
eh.
Wait, against who? Where though?
I invite, decent na naman ako. Decent.
Lunch na naman ito.
If ever wala na rin naman, pwede naman tayo dumiretso Gold Castle eh. Come that side.
Para invite, Mugi.
Why are they running? The fuck?
Yan
Level
talaga yung
22.
play ni Barret Mugi. Pag nakuha yung objective, tatakbo na.
Hindi naman to si Barret eh.
Wala ba siya? Ay, Divergence pala yan na.
Ito si Dop Carlo.
Wild cards yan, wild cards.
Everyone zone northwest. Yeah, I'm now in Oasis. Yo, there's a big ass blob here. What the fuck? Is this TC? Yo, hold there. Yo, can somebody one death tank can one death tank check out? Everyone regroup on me. There's a T5 blob here. What the fuck?
Kaya yan.
In Oasis.
Wait.
Who's that blob? Can one check? Everyone zone and hold.
Silip na yata ni Gcash.
Come southwest. Yeah. Oh, what's that T5 blob? Can somebody check fast? Sino naglalaban? There's a lot of blobs in Oasis. Like a shit ton. Arch tsaka TC. Ay, bayanan natin yan.
We don't want.
Masyadong malaki to ah. Arch tsaka TC to. Dalawa. So like
Fuck, may arch dito.
hindi Divergence. Ano sila eh. May malaki blob sa Terry mismo. I think yung Divergence nag-zone to Hillock yata.
Sila ata yan eh.
Sila ba yan? Hindi. North side?
Ano yung-
Pa-northeast yung blob kanina eh.
Yo, pana-cluster Q kayo, Hillock ka. Hillock ka.
Divergence to, Mugi. Saka stay
Nice.
na.
Ayan no. Sabi
Yo,
na eh.
dismountain nyo. Try nyo lin.
Alak ka, Ipki!
Try nyo lin. Huli nyo lahat ng mga huli nyo. Southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me.
Ipki!
Patay si Dope.
Killing.
Kawawa.
Patay yung caller nila. Catch.
Ipki!
Nahawakan sa liig. Pabalik! May pabalik dyan to eh.
Ulig.
Mount up. May blob sa likod natin. Mount up.
Nagpapolitics pa ata. Nahuli.
Mount up. Who's that blob north side? Come north side.
Sorry na.
Patay ako Sigma.
Come north side. Listen. Come north side.
Teka,
Come west side. Come south. Laki nito, rookies, 26. Come southeast. Nasaan ka, Weeds?
Ang
Come southeast.
gubuti.
Hindi kita marinig eh.
Follow me.
Naka-dismount
Yo, listen, mag-spread kayo. Sa smaller bridge kayo sa south. Pag nandyan na.
Mag-skill na lang kayo ha, may skill yung mga mount
Come
nyo.
southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Yo, Weeds, nasa ka, Weeds, nasa ka. Come southeast, come southeast.
Shit.
Okay. Mag-zone ako sa plane, kasama ko yung rookies. Rookies 26 disarray, okay?
Mugi yung mga andito, baka
Nahabol
mahuli.
ako, ah. Yo, careful yung mga nandyan southeast side, careful,
May skill yung mga mount nyo ha.
Shh, diverb to.
Yeah,
na.
I'm trying to. Kick kami southeast. Yo, one death tank stay on top of them. Tell
Okay,
me if
wala. Hindi
they're...
sila sumunod.
Di sila sumunod? Okay, just hold. They're still holding in Oasis. Wait, hold southeast side.
Pussy ass niggas.
Kaya nakalot
Hold
ng
lang.
food dyan, bigyan niyo ako.
Ay, tamo.
Ano ginagawa nila?
I'm checking.
Ano
Boy,
gamit mo,
cooking
Port?
is some food.
Papunta sila sa gitna
Apart
natin.
Hindi pa na ako yung melt.
Sa
Hindi
Terry,
naglalaban
okay.
dyan.
Itong bisdak pa nasa melt, di ba?
Sino
Nag-spawn
nasa...
sila sa Terry sa south side. Yung rookies.
TBC, small.
Yung
Nag-dismount na
rookies.
sila.
They're in Oasis.
Nag-OC na.
Nangapaw.
Sino yung naglala... yeah, there's like 3 Zergs fighting. Who's the other Zerg? Is
Si
TC...
Zerg pa.
How big is TC? Then how
Check
big...
ba?
Yeah, it's clustered. How big is... Sige lang.
Yung
How big
arch-
is TC?
Yung
How
arch
big is-
level 40.
What
the
the fuck?
fuck?
Tapos yung TC?
Ayoko niyan.
TC ba?
Wala akong nakitang TC dito.
Wala, ils 2 lang yung
Wala
isa
pa yung
dito eh.
TC.
Ayan.
Arch to arch H.
Ito,
Naglalaban na sila doon sa may malaking blob.
Come southeast. Ito si Juanicho. Come southeast.
Southeast Mugi.
Come southeast.
May isa-isar din dito Parang isang party.
Resi, mag-skill ka ng bird mo, Resi.
Everyone zone southeast. Everyone zone southeast.
Dismount dalawa sa atin.
I'm in plane. Come southeast. No. I'm following the divergence caller right now.
Si Juanita yung color nila.
Dito.
Oh my fucking god, hinahabol ako. Select run.
Ay, nabol ka yan? Shit. Ba't minamatay
Hideout
nila
na
ako,
nila mo
Yung-
din. Pwede tayo mag-dismount dun.
Yung blob sa bridge, south side.
Kidding lang naman. Yung nakikidaan lang. Ang pangat ng ugali.
Ay, epal nito Pag anong set to? Naka-druid rope.
Pumasok ng
Oh, yo, everyone mantap.
May South PH dito.
Ayaw daw nilang
Yun yung
pumalabas.
nagkahuli yung select
Huli
Wait,
tayo.
may dismounted dito isa.
Hindi nga ako tumuloy.
Come north. May dismounted daw sa north.
Hindi naman ako
Dito,
nahuli.
dito, on ping.
Ito.
Nag-zone sila?
Oo. May South PH to mo, Gia.
Atlo.
Okay, South PH.
Everything, look at me, everything inside. Get ready. Cleanse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything.
7 to hammer, easy.
Come back.
15% yung South PH dito.
Come northwest. Huli mo, dismount mo, tapos huli mo. Come northeast.
Wala,
Yung mga T9 na
May walay sila,
sa
boy.
terrain nila.
Terry nila. Come south.
Oo, may mga tao sa terrain.
Uy,
Come south. Sige lang.
Sumuhulihin ko yan.
Step up. You look at South shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside.
Pumapasok yata sila sa Terry. Hindi, yung Kopal.
Sige lang. Yeah, hold northwest side. Okay.
Upal ka pa, boss.
Dismount ba sila sa Terry? Hindi.
Mounted.
Sige, come south.
27 tayo dito.
Keys and the beast. Come southwest.
Southwest?
SW. Southwest. Okay, sa mage naman.
May mga wisdak pala dito.
Come southwest.
Wow, big. Tingin ko lang to.
East side. Pakatch na ito. Ang dami nakamount dito sa east side. Yo, kill the mobs. Huli ka, boy. Yo, look at this guy. Everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on this guy. Come outside.
Yun yung
Hold
nag-request ng kamay
Yo,
mo
ikaw ba yan? Weeds? Ay, ko nga yan.
39 tayo.
Matap. Ano, Weeds? Ano muna? Bank loots muna, tapos ano? Gold Castle. Okay, come southwest eh. Oh, yun, naka-usi yung buong 8 days set pa ngayon eh. Come southwest.
Wag na.
Ay,
OC break mo na lang.
nag-usi ka pala kanina. OC break mo na lang.
Bastion daw nahuli nila.
Wala, shooter lang yan.
Ay!
Masil.
You're dead, nigga.
Oh, ito, permo. Good shit na permo yan.
Higan.
I miss, nigga.
Let me hold that, bro. Let me hold that.
Oh shit, naglag ako. Oh shit,
Ako rin eh.
Higan.
Depth. Def
Yan.
to na isa.
Engage? Engage mo na lang. Mamamatay ka na eh. Pussy as nigga.
Matap.
Sino
Damn.
si John Food kanina, Doy?
Wala na, okay na.
Ay, okay na.
Balik mo na
8
kami, balik na kami
May
portal ah.
8.1 dito, tatlo.
So, yan yan. Crapomi ba yan?
Hindi. Ano ka? Ay, healer ka nga pala. Wala issue to, Doy.
Anybody looted my memento? Anybody?
Pum.
You
Meron
died,
na. Nasa kalaban.
Ash?
What?
You died? Yikes.
Nah, my kills, bro. My kills. What do you mean?
Tumas na load at game ni Aparts. Kaya
I got like 7 kills. Bro.
Damn.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Only 7 though.
PvP enjoyer. Ew.
Fucking hell, bro.
Wala,
Go back
tara,
to
mag-aba na
refining.
tayo.
No, we're gonna go Gold Castle.
I got your
Ako kasama
momento. Play. Ina.
Hey yo.
The one with the plan to si Carl.
Oh, wait, ayusin ko lang yung parties kasi ang daming...
Oh look, it's Petal.
Okay.
Hi Petal.
Hi,
listen.
Petal.
Yo, listen,
Crush.
I need yung life curse ko, lumipit ka sa party ko.
Okay.
Sabihin mo Ash, hi, Crushy.
Oh, fuck no.
Yo, listen, reset your OC. No need to double OC. Mas masira lang yung gears nyo. You just reset it.
Oh, she's not responding, bro. She's not reciprocating my feelings.
Who you niggas?
She's like,
Oy! Kills.
outlaw, tama na.
Reset outlaw, bahala ka dyan.
Marami yan eh.
Tama na.
Uy, one shot yan.
Mga cheaters lang.
5-3.
Cheaters.
Reset day din sila.
Divergence pala yun, no? Yan pala yung CTA
Ay,
nila.
Pinay.
Dito pala yung mga divergent eh.
Oh,
Pala yung Divergence pala eh.
Dati wala tayong pili, basta Pinay.
Ano, 1 minute, teka lang.
Hold on, said. Huwag kayong magpapa one shot dyan. Spread kayo. Oh yeah, yung mga ano na walang outlaw, pasok na. Reset OC.
Saan to i-drop Mugi?
Sabong.
Hindi ako nag-OC.
Ako mag-AFK na talaga, putang ina.
Upgrade ko lang yung helmet ko ah.
Putang nabasag lahat.
Ayun to.
LC, Tasibien. Sa akin.
Who's got my memento? Trade it to me. Appreciate you, homie.
Sabong.
May nalot ba kayo 739 per nag?
Upgrade ko yung helmet ko Mugi ah.
Meron ready sa'yo.
Yan.
Walang vacant Mugi.
Baka may loot kayo, 7-3
Baka
hero.
bacon ka na isa.
Teka. Yung tab 1, yung kanina. Konti lang naman sa loob eh.
I-donate ko to?
Wag.
Yo,
Paano?
niggas, tandaan nyo, we're club
May-
rolling, so as much as possible
May alay
spread.
dyan.
Sige na, okay na.
You guys are not spreading early.